I attended my first vocal workshop with Florian this January of 2019. And going into the workshop, I thought I understood that it was going to be special, but I couldn't truly imagine what an amazing journey I was in for. With my first coaching with Florian, I could definitely feel the difference in my body when I sang, and it was also a different feeling in my singing. And the changes from the first day to the third and last day was just incredible. My voice changed, it got better, stronger, more confident, and the feelings and emotions was so much stronger and so much more present during my singing. I went through many different thoughts and emotions. The way Florian teaches is really special. He made me connect with my inner true emotions, and that for me meant that I met some of my inner fears and thoughts and emotions from my past, which, I'm not gonna lie, at the moment was kind of scary, but the supportive and loving and caring environment created by the coaches and by all the participants makes you feel safe. And it's also a relief that results in so much joy, laughter, love, and compassion. So if you are interested in going to one of Florian's workshops, don't hesitate, because you will get the possibilities to be challenged by great coaches and participants to go beyond what you think is possible. You will get the possibilities and the tools to challenge and change yourself as a person, but also as a singer and performer. You will learn so much about yourself and about others, and you will have so much fun. I'm so grateful and happy that I got the chance to meet Florian and all the coaches and all the participants, because I've learned so much about myself and as a singer. Thank you.